look out longer before you say nothing can happen to us, so that you guys sit in that moment before you say that last line.
The Premier Stages Understudy Program is a great opportunity for students to gain real-world experience before they even graduate college. The understudies are with us from the start of rehearsals. They're observing and running lines with the actors and practicing, and they're also available here during the production should an actor ever need to step out.
Working with a professional enhances the training that a student already is getting in the conservatory. They'll see how someone who's making a living as an actor comports themselves, what the rehearsals are like, what the professional experience is like.
The Premier Stages Understudy Program really did kickstart my career. It was my first professional credit on my resume. When I got to go out and do other professional auditions, it was something that set me apart from other young actors.
Part testing starts in a few weeks, and if those kids don't do well, it's on me.
By participating in the Premier Stages Understudy Program, Kean University Theater Conservatory students earn points towards membership in Actors Equity, which is the Professional Theater Actors Union. So when the students leave the university, they have an edge over graduating students from other universities, and a considerable advantage when auditioning for professional theater productions.
It gives me a better view of the professional theater, the amount of work that eventually does go into the show, not only on the acting side, but on the technical side.
And take your phone away and never let you leave the house.
When you're in class, you learn about what professional theater might be like, but here we're actually doing it. This is very hands-on.
For every main stage Premier Stages production, we present the Understudy Showcase performance, where students take the stage and have the opportunity to perform for an audience of friends, family, and professionals in the field of entertainment.
The showcase gives us an opportunity to actually be on stage and treat it like a performance as if you were doing an entire production.
It's a really wonderful opportunity to be able to work with this company because they really nurture students. They're all about education and teaching you what it is to be a professional.
She gets home, she can go right to sleep for a few hours before she has to get up and go to work at the salon. And washing our clothes and taking care of kids.
To actually lead in Brick City, the show this year, was a great honor, and I don't think I would be as prepared as I am now if I wasn't an understudy last year.